Use at the lowest heat setting, as this can be a sensitive area. Start off using the long edge and stair step up the foot, and use each step as a chance to pin the top of the foot tissue and stretch the foot down and up. Go all of the way to just under the toes, using the blade to pin away from the toes and push the toes down. Use the thumb edge diagonally and open up the space between the toes, then use the sharp edge to do the same thing. Place the blade on the transverse arch to pin with the blade away from you and flex the toes. Do this all of the way up and down the arch of the foot. Use the long blade, then the thumb edge, to warm the bottom of the foot. Angle the scraper to open up all of the tissue. It should become slightly red and warm to the touch. Using the thumb edge, clean up the arch of the foot if your client can tolerate it, as this area can be very sensitive. Then use the thumb edge diagonally to open up the space between the toes, then use the sharp edge to do the same thing. Use the long blade to open up the transverse arch. Use long strokes to finish, opening up the plantar fascia.